day 4, reducing stress with meditation. So come and join me and Tracey as we do this together. And if you want to do this later, that's fine. It's up to you how you want to go about this. So sit tight and enjoy this video.
Hey guys, this is Faith Hunter and you are with me on day 4 of our 30-day meditation challenge on YouDoYoga. I am going to share with you a very relaxing, chill moment. I know it's only been a couple of days, but day 4 is really about chilling and relaxing. So we're going to make our way slowly onto our backs. Legs to relax and then slowly begin to make my way onto my back. Allow the feet to just splay out to the side. And you're going to take your hands here and you're going to place your right hand right around your belly, so slightly below your navel. And then you're going to take your left hand and place that right over your heart center. You're going to start to breathe in and out through your nose. So as you breathe in, the belly and chest will rise, and exhale, and fall. So this breathing practice will be 3-part breath, meaning that the breath will move in 3 parts. And it's just going to help to kind of focus and control the mind. And so you're going to use this breathing kind of practice as a way to kind of hone in and focus a little bit more. And just first starting to breathe in and out through the nose. And again, just feeling everything from the belly, the chest, they're just going to simply rise and fall. So you're breathing lightly into your hands. So you make these next few breaths, just make sure that you're really comfortable because we're going to be here for a bit. So if you feel like you need a little more elevation, you can always get a pillow or a blanket, slide it underneath your spine, right around where that natural curve is. Or you can take a pillow or a blanket and slide it underneath your head. You want to make sure you're supported and comfortable. And so we're going to slowly start out. Again, the breath is going to move in 3 parts. And the 3 parts will include the belly, the rib cage, and the chest. Again, it would be the belly, the rib cage, and your chest. So first you're just going to breathe in and feel the belly rise. And then exhale, soften. Inhale, breathe just into your belly. And exhale, soften. One more, breathe into the belly. And exhale, soften. Now we're going to add the rib cage. So you're going to focus on the breath moving into the belly and the rib cage. And then you're going to relax the rib cage as you exhale and relax the belly. Inhale into the belly. Inhale into the rib cage. Relax the rib cage. Relax the belly. One more round like that. Breathe into the belly. Breathe into the rib cage. All in one full breath. And then as you exhale, relax the rib cage. Relax the belly. Now we're going to add on. You're going to breathe into the belly, rib cage, and then feel the chest rise. And then relax your chest, the rib cage, and the belly. Inhale the belly, rib cage, chest. Relax the chest, the rib cage, the belly. Inhale belly, rib cage, chest. Relax chest, rib cage, and belly. A few more rounds like that, just feeling the belly, the rib cage, and the chest rise. And then as you exhale, relax the chest, the rib cage, and the belly. Let's take a few more rounds on your own, just focusing on your own breath. Relax your chest, your rib cage, and your belly. And then take one big breath, fill up with air. And exhale everything. Just notice and observe the breath moving lightly in and out through your nose. You can keep your hands resting on your body, or if you prefer, allow the arms to release alongside you, palms facing up. Relax your shoulders. Continue to keep the eyelids resting heavy over your eyes. Just allow yourself to simply be. Deep breath in, exhale. Start to wiggle your fingers and toes lightly. You're going to bend your knees, bring the feet to the floor. You can just slide your blanket or your pillow out of the way. Pause here for a few breaths. And slowly begin to roll over to your right side. And use one hand to gently lift you up, keeping the eyes closed for now. Crossing your ankles. And if you need your pillow, you can definitely grab it, place it underneath your hips. And take a deep breath in. Exhale. Bring the palms together and create a little warm retreat. Place the palms over your eyes, breathing